So my name is Steffen Schwarzkopf. I'm the chief correspondent for Welt. Welt is the leading news and documentary channel in Germany. And I was sent here, like many international journalists, to cover the peace talks here in Islamabad. We're a little doubtful about the outcome, to be honest, because there's both sides having their clear standpoints, and one of the main topics and main issues obviously is the nuclear program that Iran wants to hold on to. I think Pakistan is playing a very, very important role because they get along both with Tehran and with Washington, and they managed to bring both sides together, which is a major achievement. After there were just weapons and guns and military speaking, now it's both sides speaking here in Islamabad. So you cannot underestimate the role of Pakistan in that negotiations.
Do you think that Pakistan saved the world from a third world war?
At least Pakistan is on the way to save the world from further escalation. I mean, we've been seeing the conflict escalate in the Middle East for weeks and weeks, more and more countries getting involved, more and more countries getting targeted. And I'm from Germany, I'm from Europe, so we're affected too because of the Strait of Hormuz that is being blocked by Iran. So Pakistan is trying at least to make sure that the conflict is not getting worse, not regionally, but also internationally and globally. So again, Pakistan is playing a major role.